Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we test the most extreme gear built for creators, adventurers, and visionaries. Today, we're diving into the all-new GoPro HERO13 Black Action Bundle, the latest evolution of GoPro's legendary action camera lineup. With the HERO13, GoPro takes clarity, stabilization, and versatility to a whole new level, and this bundle packs even more value with 2 Enduro batteries and a waterproof shutter remote, so you're always ready for any adventure, no matter how wild. Let's start with performance. The GoPro HERO13 Black delivers stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, capturing every frame in crisp HDR detail. The upgraded image sensor offers improved dynamic range, lifelike colors, and refined low-light capability, perfect for those sunrise mountain shots or deep underwater dives. With HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, footage stays buttery smooth even during high-speed chases or downhill biking. The HERO13's GP3 processor brings serious upgrades in AI-driven image correction and advanced horizon locking, keeping your shots level even when your camera flips 360 degrees. The interface is sleek, responsive, and instantly familiar for GoPro fans. Plus, it's rugged, waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without housing, and built to handle dirt, dust, and snow. Now, the real star of this action bundle is its accessories. You get 2 Enduro batteries, delivering longer runtime in cold or extreme conditions, perfect for skiing, hiking, or long shoot days. And the waterproof shutter remote makes it effortless to start recording, change modes, or snap photos without touching the camera, even while wearing gloves or underwater. Creators, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate GoPro's new Auto Boost feature, which automatically adjusts stabilization levels based on your motion intensity, making it easier than ever to capture cinematic footage on the move. The HERO13 also supports voice control, cloud auto upload, and the GoPro Quick app for instant editing and sharing. If you're serious about capturing life at its boldest, whether surfing, hiking, vlogging, or traveling, the GoPro HERO13 Black Action Bundle is hands down the most complete package you can buy today. Grab it now on Amazon using the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more in-depth tech reviews every day.